Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I get started with my Jackal skirmish team this week. This is the Shaman. For this mini, I'm going to try a bit of a dirty green look for the colour scheme. As it's a skirmish team, I can mix it up and try different colours. I've primed them black and given them a desert tan zenithal highlight. I get started with the cloak using green skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Next up was some ribbon type things hanging down the front. For these I went for scruffulous brown. For the fur I used black brown. I went for dark fur just so that it contrasts against that lighter clothing. The rest of the clothing gets a quick once over with Vallejo's leather brown. There are some wrappings dotted around him. For these I use sunny skin tone. Since in the lore this faction stole a lot of their equipment from the Robot Legion, all the metallic parts apart from the main staff are painted with gold, just to look like they're from my Robot Legion. For the main part of the staff, I use plate mail metal. base is a cracked desert style, so this gets a once over with sand yellow. There are lots of bones dotted around this mini, and I went for skeleton bone for all of these. To add some variation to the fur, I highlight it up with Army Painter's Leather Brown. The next highlight is for the green, as it's looking kind of bland. I used Goblin Green and just went over the raised areas and the edges. Finishing up, I tied it all together with an all-over wash of light tone. And that will be it for the Shaman. Not a bad colour scheme, but I'm still going to try a few different ones out this month. This is probably the best reason that I'm going to start doing skirmish teams more often. I can mix all the colours up and they'll still look decent in a group together. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been hobbying on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.